You pay them with your credit card?
Yep.
Debit or credit?
Credit.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it that $9.
Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
You change?
Yep.
Yes. 50 doubloons.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And here's your grocery, sir.
There's one more balance. Put it back up.
You have a nice day.
No, there's one more balance.
You put it in your bag. I just dropped it. No, I already rang it up. I just forgot to put it in the bag. Come back soon, okay?
Okay. Let's put these up.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.
We can't win the card.
Huh?
We only can't win the card.
Yeah, just the bag.
Yeah, that's why.
Get your credit card, too.
Can we put it there?
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
I love you.